In a cybernetic realm filled with dial-up woes and MySpace customizations gone wrong, a new contender has emerged to disrupt the online scene. Introducing TikTok, a fresh-faced platform aiming to transform how we enjoy and create content, one bite-sized clip at a time. Unlike the behemoth YouTube, where creators showcase their creativity in long 10-minute videos, TikTok throws caution to the wind with a strict 5-second limit. Yes, you heard that right. 5 seconds to make your mark on the digital canvas. This minimalist approach doesn't stop there. Forget about elaborate editing software or knowing your way around a computer. 2 words for a description, 1 tag, and a simple rating system that even your tech-challenged grandma can navigate. But here's where the plot thickens. With great simplicity comes great responsibility, or in TikTok's case, a flood of questionable content. For example, a parade of cringe-worthy clips, 5-second snippets of people covering songs with exaggerated expressions, and an array of quirky moments. Who's flocking to this playground, you ask? Well, mostly the younger crowd, who haven't yet discovered the joys of high school drama and acne cream. TikTok seems to be the platform for those desperately seeking their 15 milliseconds of fame. While skeptics raise their eyebrows higher than a late 90s boy band's hair, TikTok continues to draw attention like a moth to a pixelated flame. Will it evolve into a YouTube challenger, carve its niche, or fizzle out faster than a passing internet trend? Only time and the whims of the internet deities will unveil this digital saga's next chapters.